Hello and welcome to Retro Bike Dublin. Today we're looking at a very special Honda Monkey Z50, an original one from 1975. It is a limited edition run Chrome Edition as well. We also had, before we had a limited edition Gold. So this is a silver Chrome, 1975, really nice condition. 3-speed with no clutch and the foldable handbars. 4,542 kilometers reported on the clock. Chain is really good. The rear tire is perfect. Rear chrome mudguard good. The left hand side panel looks like it's got a bit of a paint. Chrome on the engine is good. The tank, most importantly, is in really nice condition overall. Just rode it over here as well, so it's riding nicely, going through the gears. Look at that chrome heat guard on the exhaust there. Really beautiful condition. A few little marks here which can be seen. Nothing major for a bike in 1975. Really nice condition overall. Not a museum quality, but really good quality Honda original monkey bike from 1975. I'll try start her up for you. Turn the ignition on and then Kickstarter. If I could. That's with very minimal choke and no throttle. Better warm up, but that's her Honda Z50 Chrome Honda Monkey. Really desirable bike. Running, stopping, starting, all lights working, everything like that. Really nice bike. If you have liked the video, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe. And if you do want to reach out to us on our Instagram and Facebook, they are at retrobikesdublin.com or at retrobikesdublin for Facebook and Instagram. And our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thanks for watching.